Well, we're here, Bowser. What do you want with us? I don't have a plumbing job for you. You are going to be cloned. Mario is first. You must come, or Princess Peach will die. Should I do it, brother Yoshi? Hey, you're going to have to. Yeah, we don't need Princess Peach, Dad. We need to do it. Okay, here I go. Hop. I'm going to kill you. Yeah. Oh, what's happened? Evil. Bad. Mega mushroom. Rats, my plan isn't working. Luigi, you're up. I'm scared. We're going to destroy you. Stop power, Luigi! Stop power! Yay! We're alive! You see, eat Bowser! Yep! Bowser's dead! Yay! We win! Bros for life. Scared of Bowser. Oh, come back. Please subscribe for Mario and the Great Plumbing Adventure 2, the sequel. Please subscribe.